name's Kevin Sidebottom. I'm a speaker, author, and trainer, and I go around the country and help organizations sell more efficiently, make more money, help them with their strategies, and help them gain more influence with their customers and their teams so we have more buy-in. Today I want to talk to you about social media and how to use that to increase sales and what a good sales strategy and marketing strategy is with social media. First, I want to talk to you about what not to do on social media. Do not get political. Do not use foul language and derogatory comments. That will never net you any business. Social media has increased so much that people have more impact. The old days of selling yellow page ads and commercials on TV, when there's Netflix now, they're gone. Direct mailers, gone. Social media, that's where we need to be when we're selling. I want to caution you, using social media and using Google AdWords and search doesn't work like they said it would. I'm going to give you some tips on what to do to increase sales. Now, social media like Facebook and Instagram, TikTok, and all those, by using those, you can increase your sales fast. That's right. You can increase sales and influence on those. Now, here's what I've studied. If you haven't read the book Fanocracy, it's about time to do that because you need to really understand your product or service and how it relates to the customer and how it makes their lives better. Because if you're going to go market to them, you better be able to sell them on their needs. So if you have some customers already bought from you, go and study why they bought things. Ask them. Give them a little, gift card for answering a survey and ask them why they bought from you. Because when you go to market on social media, you're going to need that. By having a fanocracy and having fandom and all these people rooting for you, you'll actually have other marketers and campaigners helping you. You can go and sign up for a celebrity to endorse your product or service, and yeah, you'll get a little bit of traction. But having actual people do this and speaking to other people honestly, well, that's what social media has done for you. It's leveled the field. You don't have to have a huge investment. Now that we're on social media, here's what we need to do. We need to give away content. That's right. Whether you're on YouTube, which is the second biggest search engine now, or Instagram, where you really can see a fandom of people coming around the celebrity of the person that's out there, you really need to be giving away content. Whether it's a new workout move, whether it's how to make this motor work faster, you need to be helping people with content, giving away content. Okay? The easiest way to receive something is with an open hand. When you give stuff away, you can receive something. But when you have a closed fist, it's hard to receive anything. So constantly be trying to give away free content. Heck, that's what I'm doing. I'm giving away free content to help you. Not just because I want a return, but I'm just trying to help people. That's what I'm here to do. Now, by giving away the free content, you will naturally gain fandom and influence with people, and that's a good thing. Here's what else we need to do. We need to focus on the customers that already bought from us, again, because if we serve them well and help them, guess what's going to happen? They're going to endorse our products. That's right. If we make them a superstar, a success, they're going to sell for us. They're going to be like our own sales force that we don't even have to pay. They're going to market for us. They're going to sell us. But if we don't serve them well, guess what else they can do? They can sell against us, tell people why not to buy from us. So we need to make sure we support our customers well. And if we do that, we'll receive the benefits. Don't worry about that. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help. Be glad to talk to you. If you like this video and want to help other people, like and subscribe. It'll get out to more people and help them. All right. See you next time.